Are you looking for a snack that won't damage your low-carb goals? Introducing 7 incredible nuts that are tasty and quite powerful in quickly improving your health. You can wave goodbye to worry over carbs and hello to satisfying, healthful snacks that will energize you before you can say almond. So, let's start with number 1. Number 1. Pecans. Nutritious and full of thiamine, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, and other minerals, pecans might be the superfood of snacks. Still, pecans' low carbohydrate content sets them aside as a superfood. Per ounce, 28 grams. These crispy delights include slightly over 1 gram of net carbs. Now, what's a net carb, you ask? It functions similarly to the high-visit portion of carbohydrates, except that your body doesn't fully absorb the fiber. Therefore, fewer net carbohydrates equal more excellent fiber. In other words, pecans equals guilt-free snacking. Regarding fiber, pecans contain a significant amount of soluble fiber, which studies have shown to lower blood sugar and strengthen heart health. One study even gave pecans a gold star for lowering LDL cholesterol, the bad stuff, and triglycerides, making your heart a bit happier. In one trial, 56 adults with high cholesterol swapped some of their regular foods for pecans. The result? Healthier hearts and a significant drop in cholesterol levels. You're treating your taste senses and heart well the next time you grab a handful of pecans. Number 2. Macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts are a classy snack and a little nutritious powerhouse. Packed full of B vitamins, magnesium, iron, copper, and manganese, these buttery delights covertly enhance your health without you realizing it. With only 2 grams of net carbohydrates, an ounce, or around 28 grams if you're counting, of macadamia nuts provides 4 grams of total carbohydrates, making them an ideal choice for low-carb dieters. Don't be alarmed by the fat content. Macadamias are the best source of monounsaturated fats that support, rather than damage, your heart. Researchers have found that these healthy fats can regulate cholesterol levels and help reduce inflammation. So, next time someone gives you the side eye for eating nuts, tell them you're giving your heart a little love. Only 8% of the calories from these nuts come from carbs, which means you're mostly munching on healthy fats that make your heart say thank you. Plus, they taste buttery, without the butter. Number 3. Brazil nuts. Let's talk Brazil nuts. These hefty, nutrient-packed nuts are like nature's gift basket in a shell. They're low in carbs and high in selenium, a mineral your body loves. One Brazil nut can cover your daily selenium needs. Seriously, only one. A single nut easily meets the recommended daily intake of 55 micrograms of selenium for adults. Beyond selenium, Brazil nuts are fiber-rich and low-carb, making them a great snack if you watch those macros. Here's the breakdown. These nuts include 3 grams of total carbohydrates per ounce, 28 grams, but only 1 gram of net carbohydrates. That's only 8% of total calories from carbohydrates. Quite remarkable, huh? Selenium is also helpful for metabolism, reproduction, and thyroid function. It is not merely a static element. According to some research, Brazil nuts may even help lower inflammation and oxidative stress. Nonetheless, further study is required because the scientific jury is still out. Number 4. Walnuts. Walnuts aren't just a crunchy snack. They're a powerhouse of nutrients with minimal carbs. Just 4 grams of total carbohydrates, 2 of which are net carbohydrates, and 8% of the calories in 1 ounce, 28 grams of walnuts, are derived from carbohydrates. So if you're observing your carbs, walnuts have you covered. These little nuts are packed with B vitamins, iron, magnesium, zinc, antioxidants, and fiber, making them a nutritional goldmine. Eating walnuts regularly has been demonstrated to improve heart health, reduce the incidence of type 2 diabetes and cancer, and even lengthen one's life. Talk about multitasking. Walnuts also contain polyphenols, which provide anti-inflammatory and anti-carcinogenic benefits, helping you fend off disease. And let's not forget the healthy fats. Walnuts are a plant-based source of omega-3 fats called alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. A study even found that eating more ALA could lower your risk of heart disease by 10% and reduce bad cholesterol, blood pressure, and triglycerides. So, not only do walnuts taste great, but they're also working behind the scenes to keep you healthy. Number 5. Hazelnuts. Hazelnuts are like the superheroes of the nut world, rich in heart-boosting fats, fiber, vitamin E, manganese, and vitamin K. If you're inspecting your carbs, good news. These crunchy gems are low in net carbs, making them perfect for low-carb diets. In just a 1-ounce serving, 28 grams, you get total carbs, 5 grams, net carbs, 2 grams. Only 10% of calories come from carbs. But wait, there's more. Hazelnuts pack a punch of L-arginine. an amino acid that gets transformed into nitric oxide, a molecule your heart loves. According to research, it helps improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. So, think of hazelnuts as your heart's assistant, keeping everything running smoothly. Plus, they're loaded with fiber and monounsaturated fats, crucial for keeping your ticker in shape. Whether tossing them into a salad or snacking straight from the bag, these nuts have your heart's best interests at heart. Number 6. Pine nuts. Pine nuts, nature's buttery little powerhouses. Extracted from the pine tree cones, these nuts get a rich flavor from their high oil content. And they're not just tasty, they're packed with essential nutrients like vitamins E and K, magnesium, zinc, copper, and phosphorus. Now let's get nerdy. About 8% of pine nuts' calories in 1 ounce, 28 grams, come from carbohydrates, with 4 grams of total carbohydrates, and just 3 net carbs. What makes them even more incredible? Pinolenic acid. Studies suggest this unique compound can help reduce inflammation and aid in weight loss. Want to upgrade your snack game? Throw some pine nuts into your homemade trail mix, toss them over a salad, toast them for extra flavor, or munch on them raw. Warning, they might steal the show. Number 7. Peanuts. Though they are beans, peanuts love to crash the nut party and are just as delicious as the nuts that live in trees. Nutrient-dense, high in magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, copper, folate, and vitamin E, peanuts bring it all to the table. 7 grams of plant-based protein in 1 ounce will keep you full. They've got carbs too, 6 grams in total, but just 4 net carbs, with only 14% of calories from them. Research suggests peanuts may lower the risk of heart disease, cancer, and inflammation. Bonus? They're great for weight management. Plus, their mild flavor makes them the ultimate snack sidekick. If you're looking to enhance your muscle growth and recovery with plant-based foods, don't miss our next video on 7 powerful plant-based foods for muscle growth and recovery. Click here to watch it now.